Dear students, I would like to welcome you to the video lecture of Internet and Digital Marketing Communication, which is a part of MSc Marketing. This particular lecture will help you to get the understanding related to the basic concepts associated with e-marketing. This lecture is a part of the main seminar during week 6. In this particular lecture, you should be able to understand the marketing revolution, Internet as an effective marketing tool, and e-marketing with its significance. Understanding of e-marketing strategy approaches. The spectrum of e-marketing is very widely used nowadays. While it is basically a shift from the traditional marketing approaches towards the new or modern approaches, there are some specific revolution or shifting tides from traditional approaches to the modern approaches. One particular component in this regard is the media advertisement. Media advertisement play a very important role for the development of a business in any market with regards to any product or service. The shift of the media advertisement from single or mono method to multi forms of communication which we are using nowadays. The second type specifically is a mass media communication or the use of mass media, where nowadays we are using the specialized media for this purpose. Originally, the base concept of marketing was very much into the manufacturer dominance, while the significant shift is towards more retail-based approach. The general focus of the marketing is around the areas in a more generic form, while the shift with which we are dealing nowadays is more towards the database marketing. Originally, it was limited internet availability. In 1990s, when it was categorized as the dot-com boom era, there was a limited availability of internet for the sake of business development, business activities, business processes. But nowadays, the internet is widely spread and used, which is very much effective. In order to understand the use of internet, it is important to recognize it as an important marketing tool. If we consider internet as a marketing tool, it educates or informs the customer. We use internet as a mode of communication with our customers, as a persuasive advertising medium which allow us to be connected and provide the relevant advertisement related information to the customers. It also been used as an effective sales tool with which we can easily be able to connect with our target audience. Internet also provide a specific and sophisticated customer database information which result into the desired outcomes. Internet as a mode of communication and support to interact with the prospective and existing buyers of a particular product or service. It also provides a very comprehensive customer service approach which result into effective outcome. And finally, within our spectrum which we are looking into, the internet builds and maintains very effective customer relationship. So if we consider these area of interest, we can understand that internet is a tool which allow us to be connected with potential and existing buyers and to enhance the experience of individual and masses. Michael Porter, a very famous name in marketing, once said in his book Strategy and the Internet back in 2001 that, quote, "The key question is not whether to deploy internet technology. Companies have no choice if they want to stay competitive, but how to deploy it." From this particular statement, it is very much visible that internet is not an option. It is nowadays a mandatory requirement in order to do business more effectively. By keeping all these aspects in mind, it is important to understand that what is e-marketing. The concept of e-marketing or electronic marketing refer to the application of marketing principles and techniques via electronic media and more specifically the internet. It is the strategic process of creating, distributing, promoting and pricing goods and services to a target market over the internet or through digital tools. This particular definition is able to provide us the spectrum of e-marketing with which we can be able to create, distribute, promote and price. So a comprehensive approach you can be able to gain by using the e-marketing approaches. The basic objectives of this particular type or any form of marketing is to get the right product, promote it through the right way, sold at the right price and distributed at the right place with an overall prospect of profitability. Any tool which we use for marketing, rather it's an e-marketing or traditional marketing, we have to consider the right product which will be available through the right place by using the right price and people know about it through the right mode of communication, while the overall outcome is expected to be profitable. The significance of e-marketing is related to the importance of e-marketing or internet marketing in our daily business life, where any business hoping to succeed in today's marketplace can't do it without using the internet in its processes, in its relationship with customers and the overall development. So creating a beautiful website is just a start. The important thing is to recognize with reference to this is that a website in virtual world is the face of organization. So if you are providing some product or services all over the world due to the globalization, global market environment, and you possibly have a customer who is available somewhere away from you, so that particular customer can only recognize you through your face in virtual world in a form of website. So it is important for any organization to develop, create, enhance and present the face of organization in virtual environment more effectively. So in order to creating an internet marketing strategy, it is a necessary second step to drive new customer and encourage current customers to return. So development of the customer profile and retention of the customer is the result of the comprehensive intermarketing strategy. Organization prospect that the internet marketing is an ongoing process. The reason particularly behind this is shift on a continuous basis, change which result due to the particular shift is an effective outcome in relation to this. So the e-marketing strategy, which is overall need to be looked after and need to be categorized as the channel strategy, which is connecting the corporate strategy of the organization with the base marketing strategy, with the objective of online contribution, which can be a one key performance indicator, that how you are able to drive the customer towards your face of the organization, which is website, and how easily and conveniently customers are able to navigate around it, which result into the achievement of the objective in a form of profitability of the organization. So e-marketing strategy define us how to develop the communication approach which can benefit that channel, prioritize the audiences based on the specifications, prioritize the products which are available throughout your portfolio, and hit the channels which leads to the sales target and the achievement of those targets. In this regard, we categorize that e-marketing strategy allow us to acquire new customer, create the conversion rate, which is high conversion rate, and allow us as an organization to retain the customers. So channel strategies thrive on differentials. So internet marketing strategy or e-marketing strategy is able to create that differential approach, but it need to be managed through appropriate channel integration. It's mean that this marketing strategy, e-marketing strategy, allow us to integrate the different digital communication platform. We can integrate them effectively in order to achieve the overall objective of that particular strategy. The harmonization of all the different channels is the key for the success of that particular strategy. So lastly, the basic influences on e-marketing strategies or internet marketing strategy are coming from the competitive strategy, which result into a shift or change in the strategy, market structure and demand. The change and shift can result into influence on e-marketing, corporate objectives and strategies broadly, in some ways indirectly, through the marketing strategy, influence the firms or organizations' internet marketing strategy. And lastly, but more importantly, the emerging market opportunities and threats associated with the particular market can result into the positive or negative development of the internet marketing strategy. So it is important that we should be able to analyze the environment around the development of our internet marketing strategy, which can result into an effective and more sophisticated internet marketing strategy development. Thank you very much for your listening, and I'm looking forward to see you during our seminar.